Welcome to the AI Generation channel.
In today's digital age, the demand for stunning visuals is higher than ever. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or just someone who loves sharing memories, removing backgrounds from images has become an essential skill. But why is everyone turning to free AI tools to get the job done? Gone are the days of tedious manual background removal, wasting precious time on complicated software. AI-driven solutions now offer a revolutionary approach, making the process faster, simpler, and more accessible to all. Discover how these innovative tools empower artists, businesses, and social media enthusiasts to unleash their creativity without any barriers. In this video, I will show you 3 free AI tools for removing background in few seconds. Links are in the description. Let's start. Tool number 1, Remove AI. Go to remove.bg. Click on the Upload Image button to upload your image. In few seconds, background will be removed. If you want, you can choose a new background for the image or set a solid color. When everything is set, click on Download button to download your picture without background. Tool number 2, Erase AI. Go to erase.bg. Click on the Upload Image button to upload your image. You can edit new picture. Choose new photo or color as a new background. When you are ready, click on Download button to download the image. Tool number 3, Bgeraser AI. Go to bgeraser.com. Click on the Upload an Image button to upload your image. Then click on Start or Start All button. In few seconds, background will be removed. As in the previous 2 tools, you can replace the background with another a solid color. To download the image, click on Download button. Good job, isn't that right? Thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe, and share this video to support my work. See you in the next AI tutorial.
Stay on the channel and find even more interesting and useful videos.